If you are seated by the emergency exits, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of an emergency, please ask the cabin crew to reseat you.
Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card. Kung sa inyong palagay ay hindi nyo magagampanan ang mga panuntunan ng exit row, ipagbigay alam sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandaling ito.
Saan po kayo? Doon na lang po sa mga open bins yung bag. Pag nakakulsa po.
Due to the potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the in-seat power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, during this time. Para po sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po lamang tanggalin